Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Frontera fuel tank cradle. So here's a little update. I've given the new one a wash. If you've been watching my previous videos, you'll see that I was comparing the two, and you can see the reason why I'm having to replace it, because the old one is completely rotted down that edge. Not just down the edge, but it's completely split. Look at my old trainers, aren't they awesome? So yeah, I've given it a wash, and as you can see, it's come up really nice. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to remove this bracket off of the new one, because obviously it's different to the Frontera ones, and then I'm going to use one of the brackets off there, whichever one's the better of the two. And to be honest, I think that one there is the better of the two. That one's quite a mess because obviously it's joined onto the really rotten area, so I think I'm going to use the one at that side because they are identical on that, and then I'll weld it on and we'll be good to go. So it's only a little short video, this one, guys, just to show you it now it's cleaned up. One thing I have noticed, strangely, is that the Frontera tank has the bolt holes for the straps which go over the actual tank, whereas the Trooper one doesn't have those, so the tank obviously just literally sits in it. But it does seem to be a slightly tighter fit, to be honest, because that is ever so slightly narrower from there to there than that one is. That one has got a bit of a gap around the edge of the tank, so the tank is not... Oh, aeroplane just going over. That's kind of cool. Not every day an old style plane goes over. So yeah. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so it is a slightly better fit, to be honest. It fits in perfectly right around the edge, which I'll show you as I get to the stage of fitting it in the car. But I wanted to do a test fit with the tank first, just to make sure, because I did notice that this one does definitely look a little bit narrower from there to there, from there to there. But I've tried the tank in it and it does fit spot on. So we're good to go. Alright then, guys, so I'll leave it there for now and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.